is Art OCRV. We've got a 76 GMC Royale. Customer Dina, she's a chiropractor, and she was tired of being in her office every day and decided that she's going to have us build her a custom mobile chiropractic office. So here you can see that we've installed her custom chiropractic bench. It's on rollers, so it'll come in to the center of the room and lock down for when she's treating her patients. We put the new subfloor in. We're building the new walls. We've got dividers. We're going to be remodeling the front end here. We've taken out some of the cabinets and the normal RV stuff, and it's going to be more of a, an office environment. So there'll be a small refrigerator and small sink, and we will still have a little wet bath. This will be a consultation area back here with some audio video monitors and some workstations over here. So we'll bring you back to this in a couple weeks. Actually, most of the components are built and this thing's getting ready to go pretty much back together and get ready to deliver to the customer and get our business rolling. So we'll see you soon. Hey, it's Art with OCRV. We're delivering the GMC Mobile Chiro Care Unit today. So Dina brought it back for a little maintenance, so now we have a chance to do a little video. So come on in, let's take a look. So we gutted this unit down to a bare shell, absolute just gut, and brought it back, built all these divider panels, wall panels, custom furniture, MCD splitter shade here to bring this down so when she's got customers in here. So we custom built all these cabinets and all the countertops. Really nice finish work on all this stuff. All the drawers are super nice. Little conversation pit in the back. Nice TVs, inverter, battery system, generator. Added a nice new air conditioner. Nice LED lighting throughout this coach. Cool little retro looking refrigerator. And a nice little area for her to conduct her business in the back. So this thing came out awesome. Built a custom shower, and she came up with a good idea to put the stickwood on the outside of this, but check out the inside of this. Very cool shower. So if you have any questions and you need an RV refit or repaired body and paint work, please give us a call. Art at OCRVCenter in Anaheim, California.